Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. There is a very important feature in Canva. When you log into your account, on the left side you can see custom prints. This is custom prints. Different kinds of custom prints are available: t-shirt prints, canvas print, stickers, mug, photo book, label, hoodie, banner, yard signs. Even you can print certificates of different kinds. First of all, we look these things one by one. Click on t-shirts. Different kinds of t-shirts available. You can print those t-shirts. Click on it. Click on custom design. The editing method is almost the same as we have discussed in the previous videos. You can change photo. You can change the text, and everything can be changed, and in this way you can create different kinds of custom t-shirts. These are different kinds of t-shirts. You can see that different kinds of t-shirts available. You can choose the t-shirts according to your choice and can take the print of those t-shirts. Next very important feature is canvas prints. Different kinds of canvas prints available. You can see that you can take the print of these canvas. Say canvas is available. For example, you can see that very attractive canvas shapes. You can just click, make changes, you can do the things very easily. The editing method is the similar as we have discussed already. The third one is sticker. Different kinds of stickers for your promotion, for promotion of your business, your products. Different kinds of stickers are available. You can click on those stickers and make changes as per your design. You can see that different kinds of stickers available, and you can make custom print of these designs. In the same way, you can scroll down to the mugs. This is a very important feature. Different kinds of mugs are available, and you can take the print on those mugs. For example, if you select a mug and want to print some design for that mug, you can choose a design of your own choice from this list, and you can also make a custom design. For example, if you want to print this kind of design on the mug, you can make changes and create a design of your own choice. In this way, if you want to change it, you can change it. Different kinds of custom signs are available, and you can choose your favorite, and you can also make a custom design over the mug. And in this way, this thing will be printed on your mug, and you can increase and decrease. You can change its place, you can change its text. Everything is editable, and you can edit and make a print on your mug for the promotion of your items, for promotion of your business. After that, you can take a photo book which includes your photos, and almost 20-30 photos you can place in the book, and you can also design your photo book in the Canva, and it is very easy method. Here you can see these are the photos available. You can place your photos in this book and print this book, and can record your photos This is a photo book, and you can see that you can place your photos in the same way. Click on it, replace this photo, delete this photo, place your own photo. For example, I have deleted this and I want to place here my own photo. You can pick that one and increase and decrease its size, and in this way your photo book will be created when you complete all these photo slots. In the same way, we proceed to the labels. Different kinds of labels are available. You can see that these are the different kinds of labels. You can attach these labels on your products, on the packing of your product and other things. These labels are very important, especially in Amazon business, especially in the Daraz business and all the online marketing businesses. You can use these labels, and this is very important feature. You can also create a custom label for your products. Hoodie, click on it. You can have a hoodie. Different kinds of hoodies are available, and you can choose according to your choice. Banners, different kinds of banners you can create and take the print of those banners. These are all printable things. For example, you can create a banner of this kind and click on it. This is high resolution banner, and you can take a print of it. Here you can replace this picture, replace this text, everything can be changed, and you can take the print of this banner according to your demand. The same way, you can go to the yard sign and take the different kinds of yard signs. Welcome. In some places we need this sign regularly. For example, in parties, in different programs, we need to have print of this welcome yard sign and place it somewhere to guide the peoples, to welcome the peoples, to appreciate the peoples. Open today. These kinds of things are available, and you can use these things easily. And another very important feature is certificate print. You can print your certificates, and different kinds of certificates are available, and you can change these certificates and make a custom certificate for your institute, for your university, for your organization. So this is a certificate. You can change the name, certificate, product, proudly presented to, and here you can also place the signatures of the responsible competent authority. You can see that different kinds of certificates are available here, and these certificates can be printed very easily. You can change those certificates. You can create different kinds of certificates. Very important feature this is, and this is used in a huge number. Especially you can print certificates for different clients and earn money online on the online marketplaces. So this is very important features related to a print, custom prints and Canva. So learn these skills and you can earn money by just using these skills and providing services to the clients on online marketplaces. Thank you so much for watching this video.